In this video, I will show you how I use ChatGPT on PC to create a professional, esports-ready gaming logo completely for free, without needing any graphic design skills. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll open my notes and copy a highly detailed prompt I've already prepared. This prompt specifies a hexagonal emblem featuring a fierce dragon in a crown, using a royal blue and gold color scheme for a channel called Clutch King PH. I'll paste this into the chat box and hit enter. Now, I'll wait just a few moments while the AI interprets the description and generates the first visual concept. As the AI works, it's following my instructions for an aggressive, modern topography to ensure it looks competitive. Here is the first result, and it already looks sharp and ready to lead a team. Now, to make this design even more unique and reward longtime viewers, I'm going back to my notes to copy a second refinement prompt. This time, I'm asking the AI to integrate a stylized silhouette of the hero Karina into the background as a subtle Easter egg. I'll paste that in and let the AI regenerate the image. It's crucial that this silhouette remains subtle so it doesn't distract from the main Clutch King PH channel name. That looks excellent, exactly the balance I was aiming for. Finally, I want to explore different color palettes to see what looks best across different content types. I'll copy my last prompt, which requests 3 distinct variations: the classic blue and gold, an aggressive red and black scheme, and a mystical purple and silver version. I'll paste this final request and wait for the AI to process the distinct styles. This is a fantastic way to build a cohesive brand that looks great on YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms. Here are the final results. Now I have 3 distinct, professional versions of the logo to choose from, giving my gaming channel a versatile and powerful visual identity without spending a single peso. If you found this quick branding walkthrough helpful for upgrading your gaming presence, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.